Hi, I can hear you now.
Yeah. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Great, great. So, can I ask the questions?
Of course, you can start. Yeah.
Yeah. So, were you approached for the role in Penalty or did you audition for it? And what was your first
Uh,
reaction?
So when I first came to Bombay, I never had the idea of being an actor, and I mean, because of my brother Biju, I used to hang out with actors. I used to be I used to be in awe about their lifestyle, and the whole idea of acting in short. So I mean, I used to hang out with them. So being from fashion, I've had my pictures up, bit of glamorized pictures. So one day in my inbox, I got a message from my director telling me that he has an initiative to make a movie about racism. And this was so basically I was approached on social
Hmm.
media, but I
Oh,
didn't believe him at first. And eventually he sent me his IMDb page, and I realized he's authentic. And over the next 2 weeks, I kind of deliberated if I should venture into this because, of course, disappointments are a part of life. So I gave it a shot, and I think I was one of the second people to be auditioned, and yeah, it worked out.
oh, that's nice.
I did audition.
So, yeah.
Yeah,
So, how was your first reaction when you read the script and all? How did you feel about it?
they didn't give me the script at all. So
Oh,
the script was under maybe it was under because it's a very sensitive topic. They
right.
didn't want to leak it. All they just gave me a broad outline. Okay, it's a student going to Lucknow, and I didn't know any of the scenes. To be
Hmm.
honest, we did have theater workshops for about a month, and
Okay.
over the course of the month, we did rehearse some of the scenes and the dialogue so that we don't have to memorize it later onwards. But we were never told the exact storyline.
Oh.
But all I knew was it was a movie about racism. It had a lot of
Hmm.
football in it, and yeah, wait, basically.
Yeah. So did you expect it to come on Netflix now? And now it's getting a lot of positive response. So how are you feeling about it?
Net, okay, हर किसी का एक ख्वाहिश होता है, like a desire in your heart.
Right.
Netflix was more of a second goal. The first goal was that it had the theatrical release, but we had
Hmm.
some obstacles there. But I was disappointed. The entire crew were disappointed. Even the producers were disappointed. But I think Netflix was our only savior. I was counting on it. Honestly, any OTT platform would have been I would have been grateful because it means the audience did not have to depend on theaters to see the movie or to depend on piracy to see the movie. It was a very legal and honest way to distribute our work, and any platform would have been I would have been grateful, but Netflix was, of course, it's at the pinnacle of the entire OTT platforms.
Right, right. So now the response from the audience is great, and I'm sure you're also receiving nice personal messages. How do you feel about it?
Yeah. Well, to be honest, okay, I this was my first attempt at acting. I've never
Right.
had theater before. I never performed when I was a kid. I never imagined I would be an actor. And second of all,
Mm.
just as a general disclaimer, I have never played football before this shoot.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
like
so
quite like with contrary beliefs aside, I mean
yeah.
people think people from Northeast are supposed to play guitar and we're supposed to be very good at football, but no.
Yeah.
It was like I was running a gunny sack race with a
Oh,
potato sack on my legs. It was horrible. I mean, I was given just about 14 days of football travel, and
oh,
I think football is something a talent in football cannot be imbibed in 14 days. We've
yeah.
had crew members, professional footballers who have played since they were 2 years old, and
Oh
compared
my.
to them, my football skills weren't as you know Cristiano Ronaldo-esque.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was very difficult. But yeah, I mean, I'm grateful that people are giving me such positive response because of the attempt, and
Yeah.
also because the social message is not football. I mean, I have people
Right.
messaging me, Kia, thank you for inspiring kids to play football, but I'm like, that is not
Not
that is not the
right.
essence of the movie. The essence
Right.
of the movie is it's not just about Northeast. It's about any of us. If any of us Indians go to Sydney, Australia, or New York, or any of these cities, we face racism. So racism
Right.
is when people treat you differently because of the way you look, the way you dress, the food you eat. So it's
Right.
everywhere. It's not just for the Northeasterns. So this is something that we can all relate to. But what we did was we packaged it in the most ignored portion of the India.
Country.
कहते हैं ना कि like South Indian, North Indian, that's an age-old feud. But no, in the end of the day, when you show a South Indian's photo, you're like, huh, Indian. If you show a North Indian's photo, huh, Indian. But if you show the face of Northeast to anyone, I'm like, oh no, he's Southeastern Asian, like Japanese, Chinese. So we need to put it out there. Ki the tagline that we have, unity and diversity, it holds true even for the 3 races that we have in India, or the many more subcults.
Right. So this is obviously, this topic is very close to your heart also. So have you, as a child or as an adult, faced similar circumstances which were shown in the movie?
Many times. So I left home when I was 17. But in 17, since we were the predominant people in Manipur, I've never had any racial kind of slurs at the moment. Of course, people call me skinny, you're tiny. I mean, I'm now 5'10", but when I was a kid, I was very tiny. I mean, I was the shortest person in my class. You would call me tiny, chutki, or whatever. I mean, all these versions. But the actual racism happened when I actually left for my college when I was 17. And people started looking at me, and the glances would linger. It will not just be one stare, it will just be a lingering stare. I'm like, what is he doing here? And it has been an age-old problem that we have had, not just me, but for my brethren. A lot of notice, and I see on social media everywhere they hate crimes happening. Kisi ne isko upar thuk diya, and all these things. And I'm like, okay, this needs to be addressed. I mean, we were like, there are so many social issues in India, but this is one of them. But I feel this was ignored because our voices were not heard. So I felt with Penalty and with Akuni, these 2 movies, which got released. They were shot, I think, 4 years apart, but it came out at the exact same time, and it, I think, added to the entire revolution. It gave more power and more visibility.
Yeah, because now social media is also, helping to spread awareness about the racism that's happening, not only in outside, but in India also. So I think this is also helping it. So now, this movie being your first movie in Bollywood, now you have a great stance. So what are your next projects, and what do you want to do next?
I am someone who reacts to a lot of opinions. I may not be opinionated so myself, but I tend to listen. I tend to give way too much attention to other people's critiques. Basically, I'm very susceptible to it. So I think in the movie I could not show my versatility, like emotions. They thought I was very non-emotional, but that's what actually the script required. If you, in college, if you see any Northeastern person, generally हम अपने आप से रहते हैं, हम किसी से बात नहीं करते. So that's what I try to portray. I didn't show anger. I didn't show a lot of emotions, basically. So what I would want to work now is, I would ideally work for content. I'd still like to work for content, a bit of emotional thriller kind of work. So basically to expand my horizon. I'm not saying I will make it far in this, like, kal kisne dekha, you never know what's there in your cards, but I would like to be given an opportunity to work on more social issues, not sports because it's too much. I'm not a sporty child as I was, but it was a lot of difficulty. But I would like to work for social issues, but I would like to influence life. Basically, I would like to work for something that has meaning, but I would like to show emotions, basically, more emotions.
Right. Yeah. So do you have any other projects going on currently, or are you in talks with someone or something like?
Oh, well, I'm not in. I think because of the COVID situation, everything is under lockdown. I mean, I'm pretty sure the visibility is there, but I think I have given auditions to Mukesh Chabra and all these casting agents. They have my audition tape, but it depends on them to reach out. The requirement is that the only requirement is there should be a script out here. So right now, I can't play a North Indian character. So sometimes what happens is, as South Indian person, if you are slightly fair, people are susceptible. Like, people can accept them as North Indians. Like, we have Muslims playing Hindus. But in my case, it's kind of more sensitive, because if I play a North Indian character, it will be very, we still have a long way to go until this is accepted.
Right.
And right now, I think if the script demands, then maybe I'll get an opportunity. But right now, I think there aren't scripts floating out there. I think recently there was this one movie. I think it was called Kwatha. It was based in Manipur. So it depends on the requirement. So the requirements like these does not come as often. So I think it's a waiting game. I think the entire industry is a waiting game. Even if you do well, it depends on the next project. So someone once told me, it's not your first movie that defines you; it's your second, because you really have to prove yourself. You have to break out of your shell or the image that you once created. That's what being an actor is.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. It was great interviewing you.
Thank you
Those
so
were
much
all my
for taking your
questions.
time.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
Have
Bye.
a great day.
Thank you.